Google Ads for website design services landing page quality score. Okay. Hello, Ali. Hi. I'm running a Google Ads campaign for a website design agency based in UK. Okay, that's very good. Over the last 30 days, I have spent uh, 5,024 29 pounds or euros. Okay. So yeah. So 5,429 pounds and received 36 conversions through Google Ads with a CP of 164 pounds, out of which 30 are qualified leads. The bidding strategy is target CPA, which I have set it at 135 pounds, but it is showing as limited by target with a recommended target of 185. Okay. The last 30 days stats: 495 clicks, 20,000 impressions, 2.5% CTR, 15 pounds CPC, search lost, top impression share budget 0.16%, search lost top impression share rank 90%, less than 90%, search lost absolute top rank is 90%. The quality score of the keyword driving the most conversions is 3 by 10, while the others are at 5 by 10. The match type for all keywords is broad. I would love your help in understanding what would be the problem with the campaign, as it's not driving enough engagement from visitors. The search terms are mostly relevant, and I'm attaching a screenshot of the landing page to check whether that could be the issue or if something else is causing the low engagement rate. So let me see. Okay, this is your uh, landing page. Design, discover, customize web design and development solutions. Okay, that's good. Get a quote. Okay, fine. Experience expert website designing service for or customized website development. Okay, startup, essential, business. These are your website plans. Okay, that's it. Okay. Okay, so let me imagine. Okay, you did a good work over here that you have a form on the landing page without scrolling. You got your WhatsApp attached as well. You have an option. You are showing your trustworthy reviews. You're showing your credibility, authority over here. 4 points with a hero shot over here. Below is your verification. Okay, these are some websites you created. Portfolio. These are your business plans. Okay, but where is your story? Okay, I have experienced over the time that people buy stories. So what is your connection over here? I mean, how you're convincing people to buy? What is your story? What is your line to sell them? I mean, why people buy from you? Why you? Why you over others? How do you explain it? You can explain it something like how our clients generated most sales or conversions using our landing page, using our website designing services. So I was expecting something over here, and sometimes urgency timer or clock do increase sales, so I thought that that would help. There are no faces, no testimonials of the users, lacks, so nobody is giving a review for your service. You can see your reviews over here, but any something on the main page, some story or some inspiration through which people why you opted for you. So I think this aspect needs an overhaul on your landing page. And regarding your strategy, there are few things which I think can be something where I can work around on. Okay, so the first is sorry so the first is, if you are using broad keywords, so are you looking on your search terms? I think that plays a crucial role. Are you optimizing it or not? So you are not optimizing it. And if you have figured out the keyword which is generating the most conversions and have 3 by 10 quality score, which means that it is costing you a lot money due to poor quality score, what steps you have taken to optimize it? If you have not yet taken steps, consider my advice. Okay, first of all, create a dedicated ad group for that keyword. So you can, and with only single keyword, and that to in phrase or exact match form, because that one is generating you more sales. Work on your ad optimization and add ad assets. Like this is a normal regular ad, but if you add ad assets to your ad, you can see how tempting this ad has become, and you can see how much convincing this ad is on the Google, and someone may buy it due to authenticity, trust, and the pricing details all being mentioned, like mentioning all of your packages over here, so people will only click if they like the package. So adding these help. Now I'm not sure what are the other specs, but these are things which you can do to optimize your Google ads. But definitely a lot more can be done. I need to look around on your locations you are targeting, the timing, the days, and then we can optimize based on the poor timing, poor days, or the when we get most conversions, the days, the timing, the location, and then you can optimize it, and we can create even specific landers with ad copies for that. So yeah, this is how it can help. So I hope I was able to explain how you can optimize for Google Ads for website designing services. I also gave you ideas regarding landing page optimization. So I hope you like it. But if anyone needs a professional help with the Google Ads audit, setup, or management, or even web development, we also do offer web development services. So you can hire me and my team through the link in the description, and we'd love to help you. We are a full-fledged Google Ads partner company, and we'd love to help you in optimizing and getting more sales for your business. Yeah, we look forward to working with you. Take care and bye-bye.